Good morning, friends. Today topic we are going to discuss is OCTFC, OCTCO, DG shipping, exit exam, question and answer, part 3. Question number 41. Heat released from fire, 80% of heat is conducted through conduction. Option A, false. Option B, true. The correct answer is option B, true. Conduction is 80% is occurs by conduction process. Just for a reference, we will take example, a tropical country. There is a sun and a place there is a earth and water is there, and cloud formation lead to rain. So in this, the heat energy liberated by sun is radiation. The heat energy absorbed by the earth, that is called conduction. Convection, the heat is liberated by the water to the sky in form of cloud. That is called convection. So heat released from the fire, 80% of the heat is conducted through conduction. So it is absorbed by any metal process is conduction. So whenever there is a fire, the metal will absorb the heat. So 80% of the heat is absorbed. So the answer is true. Convection is nothing but you liberate the heat and cyclic form. The hot air will go up, cold air comes down, and by the air it's heated up again and it will go up. This is how the system works. This process is called convection. Question number 42. Permit to work on tanker berth should not be carried out until permission is obtained from option A, master, option B, chief officer, option C, company safety officer, option D, terminal representative. The correct answer is option D, terminal representative. If you want to carry out any work in the berth, you have to take permission from terminal representative. Like you want to carry out maintenance job in the main engine or in the generator, this is directly related to your ship propulsion. Before carrying out this job, you have to take permission from the terminal representative. When you are doing any job, the ship should be always in standby condition. At any cost, the ship, if it is emergency, we have the ready propulsion to move away from the location. So before carrying out any job in the berth, you have to take permission from the terminal representative. Question number 43. What is the abbreviation of IACH? Option A, International Association of Ports and Harbors. Option B, International Association of Principal and Hull. Option C, International Association of Pump, Pressure and Head. Option D, none of the above. The correct answer is option A, International Association of Ports and Harbors. Option A is correct. Question number 44. The gas passing after scrubber of particulate matters and sulfurous gases still contain which must be removed. Option A, ash. Option B, water drops. Option C, acid. Option D, none. The scrubber sprays the water, and also on the bottom there is a water. IG gas from the boiler exhaust passes through your scrubber and it is cooled down by spraying water on it and also remove the dirt, everything. The demister is the one which prevents carryover of any solid waste, carbon deposit, ashes to the IG blower. and also control the water drops to carry over. So here particular matter sulfur gas still contains, there is a chance of presence after the particular matters and sulfur gases, then these are water drops. So the correct answer is option B, water drops. Question number 45. A centrifugal bilge pump requires priming dash. Option A, to initially unload the pump by having its head pressure equal to discharge pressure. Option B, due to the inability of this type of pump to lift water to cover the suction height of the impeller. Option C, in order to overcome the potential of water in the discharge line. Option D, shaft seals. The correct answer is option B, due to the inability of this type of pump to lift water to cover the suction of the impeller. The centrifugal pumps are not self-priming pumps. There should be net positive suction head. If it is not, the pump will run in dry. No water will be there, air will be churning in it. So option B is the correct answer. Question number 46. It is a rule that the inner gas supply to the cargo tank must be provided for option A, drainage of inert gas. Option B, fitting blind spectacle flanges. Option C, securing and locking in a closed position. Option D, easy removal and disinfection. Correct answer is option C, securing and locking in a closed position. Question number 46. Securing and locking in a closed position is the correct answer. So any inert gas supplied to the cargo tank has to be secured and locked in closed position. That is the correct answer. Question number 47. Which of the following methods is widely used method for trace gas analysis? Option A, galvanic method. Option B, conductometric method. Option C, paleography cells. Option D, thermal conductivity method. The correct answer is option B, conductometric method. In gas detection method, conductometric method is used. In conductor detective method, the biorecognition event causes a change in the ionic species concentration, which will lead to a change in electrical conductivity or conductance that can be measured in the conductometric method. So what is trying to say is the gases which is passes, it can absorb the ions. It is passes to the conductometric unit, it is liberating the ions. Whichever the gas is absorbed, there is a change in electroconductivity. So there is a change in charges. This leads to change in voltage. This is measured in the measured cell other end. So this is method used to identify the tracing of gas. This is gas, what is present, how much is present, what quantity is present, that much charges will vary, that much current will vary, that will give the output reading. That method is called conductometric method. So the correct answer is option B for question number 47. Question number 48. Duties of technical team or engineers team. Option A, inform office about fire. Option B, start fire pump and emergency generator. Option C, maintain communication with bridge team. Option D, both B and C. The correct answer is both B and C. Technical team, that is engine team, is under the chief engineer. He is responsible to start the fire pump and emergency generator and maintain the communication with the bridge team in regards of the technical part. So this is the duty. If it is an emergency condition, has to be done by the technical team. So the correct answer is option D, both B and C. Question number 49. What is dead weight scale? Option A. The maximum dead weight the vessel can achieve. 2, 3, 4. The ratio of dead weight and reserve buoyancy. Option C. The maximum reserve buoyancy the vessel can have. Option D. BA table. It is the part of the vessel's plan and indicate the draft the vessel will be down. The correct answer is option B. The ratio of dead weight and reserve buoyancy. So dead weight scale is a ratio. Dead weight divided by reserve buoyancy is a ratio. The correct answer is 49. Question number 50. Chemical tankers are required to comply with the various safety aspects detailed in Part B of SOLAS. Option A. SOLAS Chapter 8. Option B. SOLAS Chapter 7. Option C. SOLAS Chapter 6. Option D. SOLAS Chapter 5. The correct answer is option B. SOLAS Chapter 7. SOLAS Chapter 7 is carriage of dangerous goods. That is the one which will be discussing the various safety aspects of the chemical tanker, because chemical tanker is the one which carries the dangerous cargo. So it comes under SOLAS Chapter 7. Correct answer is option B. Question number 51. Who completes the declaration of inspection before loading a tank vessel? Option A. The manager of the shore facility. Option B. The U.S. Coast Guard. Option C. Designated person in charge. Option D. American Bureau of Shipping. The correct answer is option C. Designated person in charge. If there is declaration of inspection, will be under DPA, designated person in charge. The correct answer is option C. Question number 52. What is the critical pressure of ethane? Option A. 44.7. Option B. 48.9. Option C. 42.6. Option D. 38.1. The correct answer is option B. 48.9. Question number 53. MARPOL Annex 1 deals with option A. Oil pollution. Option B. Chemical pollution. Option C. Both oil and chemical pollution. Option D. Garbage pollution. The correct answer is option A. Oil pollution. Question number 54. MARPOL Annex 2 deals with noxious liquid substance. Option A. Oil pollution. Option B. Chemical pollution. Option C. Both oil and chemical pollution. Option D. Sewage pollution. The correct answer is option B. Chemical pollution. Question number 55. An inhibitor stops. Option A. Polymerization. Option B. Self-reaction. Option C. Both A and B. Option D. Putrefaction. Inhibitor is added in order to prevent polymerization. Nothing but chain reaction. Now avoid chain reaction, we add inhibitor, that is polymerization. Correct answer is option A. Polymerization. Question number 56. TLV is option A. Tiredness limiting value. Option B. Total limiting value. Option C. Threshold limit value. Option D. Transport limit value. The correct answer is option C. Threshold limit value. This will tell how much toxic gas a person can take, what percentage, how long, what time period, everything will be told by, it is mentioned in TLV form. Threshold limit value. Threshold, the person can take this much threshold of toxic gas. So the correct answer is option C. Threshold limit value is the correct answer. Question number 57. A parcel chemical tanker is capable of carrying option A. Same chemical on all voyages. Option B. Different small parcel of cargo in each tank. Option C. Only one grade of cargo. The correct answer is option B. different small parcels of cargo in each tank. We have chemical tanker. In each chemical tanker, in each tank in the chemical tanker, we can carry different cargo, different types of cargo. That's why we have a camo pump for each tank. They have a separate pump, separate connection, and pipeline connection is very complicated connection rather than crude oil tankers or VLCC oil tanker ship. This is mainly to carry different parcels. So the correct answer is option B, different small parcels of cargo in each tank. Question number 58. A sudden increase of pressure of liquid in pipeline is option A, pressure drop, option B, pressure value, option C, pressure surge, option D, all of the above. The correct answer is option C, pressure surge. The sudden increase in pressure of liquid in a pipeline is pressure surge. Pressure surge is nothing but it is in general name we call it as water hammering. It is a short-term increase in pressure due to change in fluid velocity in pipeline. So you can call this water hammering also. Other one is when there is a change in velocity in the fluid liquid inside the pipeline, there will be a pressure surge. Okay. The correct answer is option C, pressure surge. Question number 59. Fire triangle consists of option A, oxygen, option B, flammable material, option C, ignition source, option D, all of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. Question number 60. Minimum percentage of oxygen required for fire is option A, 0.5%, option B, 18%, option C, 11%, option D, 21%. The correct answer is option C, 11%. If you see the flammability diagram, the flame range starts at oxygen level of 11.8 and also hydrocarbon vapor starts from the value of 1%. So if it is within this range, there is a flammability range will be achieved. So minimum percentage required to catch fire of oxygen required quantity is 11%. Option C is the correct answer. Thank you friends. I will be updating other questions. If you have any doubts, any clarification, or anywhere I am wrong, if you want to correct me, please comment box. If you like my video, please like the video. If you want to subscribe my video, you can subscribe to see future videos, future questions, discussion, or other topics related to marine field. Thank you.